Thank you for your support, and thank you to my family for helping me to do this sorting out things. And hope you guys are enjoying. So finally we are here to do lucky draw. Era, can you bring me the lucky draw thing we prepared?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I got a shoebox so that no one can see it, and I got these lucky draw things. Last time my family helped me to cut it out, all these things, so much time taken. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to take one lucky draw from the subscriber list and one lucky draw from the comment list. So if you have subscribed and comment at the same time, you get a chance to win $100. Otherwise, one will win $50 and other will win $50. Okay, thank you for support. What we're gonna do is first, so to make sure I'm fair enough, what I'm going to do is not the first one, second one will be the winner, so that you know they are all different. Same with that one, second one will be the winner, okay, not the first one. Okay, third one is nothing. Okay, we are putting the first one. I'm going to pull this thing out on the box, and then I'm going to stick it, and Era is going to help me out. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Okay, pull one first. Wait, slowly. Pull one first. Move. Like this. Yeah, pull one. Okay. No, wait. So this one is the first one. So as I've told you before, this is not the winner. The second one. This is Kelly Yan. So this is not the winner. Now the second one will be the winner. Let's see who is winning. Come on. Take it out. Now this one will be the winner, guys, for $50. Don't look at it. Yeah, okay. Who is this? So this one is Sneha, Sneha or something. I'm not sure. Okay, let me show you the picture. So this one is the winner for $50 with the dog face on the thingy. So let's put this one there. And now, let me take this out. Yeah. Maybe I'll use this one for next time.
Maybe. Only if they subscribe and like. Only. Okay. Already in there. Okay. No care. No mercy.
Okay, don't worry guys, if you don't win this time, maybe you can win next time. Definitely, I told you so many times, this is just a start. This is the start. Okay. Now I'm putting the winner for $50. So if the Sneha comes in this one, then she will win $100. Otherwise, the other commenter will win $50. I'm pouring this out. So I'm shaking this thing. So as the same rule, be careful. With the same rule, wait. There's one drops. Make sure no one gets out of it. Okay. So second one. Be careful. Wait. So second one will be the winner, not the first one. As you know, so this is all different names. Okay, can you pull one out?
Yeah. This one. No, wait. I need to get up here.
Okay, so this one is the first one. So this is not the winner one. So what's this? Kim Paf. So this is not the winner. The second one now. This one will be the winner for $50. So if you can pull Sneha, she will win 100. Otherwise, she will just win 50, and this one will win 50. Okay, go.
I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay, what's this one?
Yeah, I'm sure it's not Sneha.
Oh, what's this? So this is Chad Anthony Ventures. Also this one.
box.
CHAD, Chad Anthony Ventures. So he won $50 and Sneha won $50. Let me show it. Okay. Guys, please contact me and I'll try to contact you. Congratulations for that. And for rest of the people, thank you very much. We will see you in next video, and soon we'll bring you another lucky draw of 100 if possible, no, otherwise $50. It depends upon my budget. So take care. Happy Sunday, guys. See you soon.
Like, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Yeah. Bye. Say bye.
Oh yeah, bye.